What's up, guys? So we're about to start. We're doing all the tile and all the carpet in this home. They're selling it, so they want to get it looking as good as possible. Carpet's not bad. It's old carpet here, but you're still going to see a transition, but it's going to look better. She's more concerned about that tile, and I think it's going to clean up well. The traffic areas are, they're soil, but I think most of this is going to blend really well. And it's 664 square feet of tile we're doing. We're just cleaning, we're not sealing it. And we're doing the carpet here. So a beautiful home. It just needs a little bit of Green Rhino touch to it, get it looking good again. So yeah, not bad. I think we're gonna get these grout lines looking amazing. So I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of talking and recording today. So we need to get this done because we're getting another job after this. There's actually twice as much tile as they said over the phone. So it's gonna take us a little longer than we expected. Probably gonna take us about 3 hours, I'm thinking. But all right, so we're gonna get to working. I'll record a little bit as we're working. All right, so we're cleaning right into the shower. So no extra charge to do the shower since the floor, we're not doing any of the walls. Well, actually the walls are really great in this house, even the bathtub. But floors, yeah, they need help. So yeah, just clean it right into the shower. As you can tell, I'm just kind of going crazy with the free spray right now because it's kind of a colder day here. It's not going to dry quick. Brenda's got the scrubbing machine out. And she's just going to agitate with this thing. Get it all nice and broken up, and that way when we go through the spinner, it just flies through it. And I'll just go around and do some detail work stuff before we actually start doing the spinner. But yeah, just going through here, and I'm using it just above neutral for the pre-spray. I did pump it up a little bit as far as the dilution ratio, but not enough to take any paint off, so I don't have to worry about overspray with this stuff. It just clean it. So I'm gonna take off any finish or paint or nothing. Real quick, guys, if you're looking to get in the carpet cleaning business, I got a school, I got a course that covers everything below all my videos. And also, if you're looking for an app that just takes care of everything in your business, billing, scheduling, even asking for reviews, online booking, so much more. House Call Pro link is also below. If you use that link, you get 2 months half off. So be sure you use that link. All right, so back to the video. That's what the grout's supposed to look like. All right, we'll go in there too. Anyway, so plenty of dwell time, See, we're gonna do the tile first because there's so many different random carpet, I don't want to clean the carpet first, get too much water on the edges there. Be really careful with the spinner. That way, we don't get a call back and say, yeah, there's browning along the edges of the carpet, right? So we're gonna do the carpet cleaning last. And we're gonna be very careful, and then I can go with the wand, carpet cleaning wand, just kind of go over our traffic areas with that. Another little rinse over the tile if needed. So that's our game plan. All right, let's get to work. You can see the stuff drying out really good. Just about done. Got some fans in here to help speed up the dry time. Oh yeah. It's literally gonna look brand new when we're done. When it's all dried. Anyway, so all I got is this area right here. And walk my way out. Then we're gonna start on the carpet. Oh yeah, this tile is gonna look brand new. Brand new grout. We just did a color seal on this thing without doing the color seal. How you like that one? Got some stain right here. I'm gonna address that with some specialty stuff here, but all in all, man, amazing. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray all the carpet. She's gonna scrub it and work our way out of here. So you can tell right here, it's like a wheelchair. She's probably in a wheelchair. Elderly lady, you know, unfortunately, her children lost her a couple of months ago. But they said she lived a long, great life, you know. So anyway, I noticed some wheelchair marks right here. So those are typically really tough to take out. It damages the fiber, so we're going to do the best we can. Welcome to your new home. Yeah, customers were really happy. Walked in, was shocked at the tile. Like, oh my God, in the carpet. So glad God did a good job on the wheelchair marks. But yeah, came out amazing. Time to dry it up. All right, so the job took us 2.5 hours. A little quicker than I thought. All right, carpet clean, tile clean. We love it. That was kind of corny. Remind me to edit that out, Brenda.